Hello, so I got this DJI Neo 2 drone and I wanted to try if I can add some payload to it. I also have this Insta360 camera, which is detachable, and I wanted to see if I can attach the second camera to the Insta360. With the camera I also got this cap mount, and you can put the small camera in the cap mount, and with two zip ties or velcro straps you can attach the payload to the drone. It's pretty easy. And now you have a secondary camera that you can rotate whichever way you want. You can use this for secondary shots or to get a different camera angle, portrait or landscape mode. We'll test it soon to see how it feels in flight. The Insta360 weighs around 40 grams and with the cap mount maybe another 5 grams, so the total payload could be around 45 grams or so, and we can see the drone flies without an issue. Outside the drone is also stable, and even though it's raining it flies very well. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Bye!